Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to put a Dunkin gift card on the app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Dunkin app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, in order to put a Dunkin gift card on the app, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen. Now once you're inside here, you'll find an option that says add or manage cards. Simply tap on that, and now once you're inside here, tap on the Dunkin cards. Then you'll find an option that says add a Dunkin card. Simply tap on that. Now here all you gotta do is enter in the card number and the pin number, and then tap on next, and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully add your Dunkin gift card to your Dunkin app balance. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.